Hello folks, we're live here with Mark Sugar at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. And what I have for you here today is the 2022, is that going to focus on that? A 2022 Jeep Compass. This Stingray one is going to be a limited, and this dark green one's going to be a Trailhawk. So let's have a look at the differences. First, I'll show you this green one here. So the Trailhawk is meant for more off-road capability. You'll see the ground clearance here with the red recovery tow hooks on the front. Tons of ground clearance compared to the Limited. Still has the 4x4 capability. Let's have a look around at each of them here. So all Jeeps have 7 ports on the front, anti-glare hood on the front. Someone just beeped at me. I'm not that close to the road. Roof racks on both of them. I'm seeing them here for the first time myself. And this is how it compares to the Jeep Grand Cherokee. So that's a full-size SUV. So there's a look at both of them right there. And your Cherokee is a mid-size SUV. So let's take a look around. I have the keys for this Stingray Limited here. New rim pattern. Nitrogen in the tires. Let's take a look at the back and then we'll go inside. So we have remote start, so I might as well, let's open up the back here. Backup cameras on each. Take a look at the back. There's a Wrangler to compare to and a Grand Cherokee to compare to for size. So you'll notice the red recovery tow hook on the back there. And so this is a V6 engine, or it could be a 2-liter turbo. We'll find out shortly. And this one is a 4-cylinder Tiger Shark, 2.4 liters. Let's open it up. Chrome badging on the Stingray. Seats fold down. Of course, all-weather mat, all-weather on this side, carpet on this side. You got some extra room in there. 12-volt charger. Okay, and I don't have the keys for this one right now, but I like darker badging. I like that maybe better, but it's your choice. Trailhawk badging right there. Neither of them has a hitch right now, but that's optional. Okay, let me just take a look at the window sticker on this one here. So 2022, what engine size is this? Yes, it is the 3.2 Pentastar 9-speed automatic transmission, and you get 9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway and 12 in the city, which combines to be 11. If you're in the States, that's 25 miles per gallon combined. Okay. A little more aggressive tread pattern on these tires here, more sidewall versus these ones here. 19-inch rim, all season tires. Let's have a look inside. So you have your proximity entry, so I leave my key fob in my pocket and then I will go and it'll just be unlocked. Alpine stereo, memory seats. Let's look at some of the features. This one's pretty optioned up. Nice leather interior. Back heated seats, panoramic sunroof. Let's have a seat in here. Power seats, lumbar support. Okay, seats are very comfortable. Okay, first thing I noticed is the whole thing is a digital screen. Before the Jeep Compass used to have the 8.4-inch screen here. Now we have what looks to be a bigger screen here, and that'll be Uconnect 5, so newer software. Let's take a look at the window sticker before I start showing you all these other goodies here. So that's different as well. Okay, so this is a 2022. Let's turn the fan down here. That's pretty loud. 2022 Jeep Compass Limited 4x4. So here's your base price at $39. This is Canadian dollars. You get all these standard features, and then you get to the optional equipment. Of course, it has Google Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is now wireless. So your optional equipment here, it says that this has the Elite Group. So this is a 10.25-inch color driver information display. Second row heated seats, Alexa built in. Okay, so there's your gas mileage on this one. 7 on the highway, 10 in the city, 9 combined, 30 miles per gallon. This one's better than that Trailhawk. Well, that one's a V6 as well, and this is a 4-cylinder. There's your warranty, which is 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. That's on the powertrain with 0 deductible powertrain limited warranty. and that includes 24-hour roadside assistance if you run out of gas, lock your keys out of your car. That warranty is fully transferable. The base warranty is 3 years or 60,000 kilometers. You could get that extended at the dealership. So look at this, leather, nice red stitching in there, leather wrapped up here, very nice. Ooh, this is different design on the inside. I'm liking it. I used to drive a Jeep Compass for a while. Okay, wow, this is so let's push button start. Okay, here's your 4x4 system here, so you can go into sand mode, sand or mud mode, snow, auto, just by pressing up or down. 4-wheel drive lock button here, gear shifter, volume buttons, turn it off, fan, I have it down, heat, I have up, it's winter time here right now, and 10.4-inch screen. I'll show you the buttons here. So for the power sunroof, your lights, and universal garage door opener here, and SOS button, power, and what else can I show you in here? Memory seats. Yeah, so I like the vents. It's just a different design inside here. Now this 10.4-inch screen is going to be awesome. So show you a couple buttons on here. Controls, rear view camera, huge zoom in here. Maybe you're towing and you have a hitch there. Settings, so there's lots of settings to go through. Here's your apps. It now has Alexa right there. You see that? When you get in your vehicle, press activate services, put in your email, and they'll email you something, a link, and you make your password, and then you download the app, and you can start your car from your phone. Backup camera, air-cooled seats, your satellite radio free for a year. Check the weather here in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada today. First time it's taking a little while. I don't have that much patience. There's no phones paired to this. It only has 13 kilometers from the dealer so far. So maps, I don't know why when I see it on video it's showing some weird lights, but that's not what's happening in real life here. So you'll see, you zoom in, zoom out. It's faster, more responsive. Speed limits here, and that will turn red if you go over. 3D. You can mute, so it's not telling you to turn and all that, and add your home and your work and certain destinations there. So the map feature is going to be great. You could use your Google Map or Apple Maps as well through your phone. Media players, your satellite radio. Let's just say, for example, I like channel 13, or I like 90s on 9 as well, 80s on 8. I like that stuff. I like pop rocks, channel 12, but my favorite might be Pitbull, channel 13. Press and hold. Channel not available. What's going on here? Okay, well, it's saying it's not available right now. I like a little bit of everything. Here's another channel that I think is pretty cool, actually. I like all the hip-hop channels as well. Hair Nation, Ozzy's Boneyard. Let's do Hair Nation. Hold to save here, and it is saved in there for you. And you have controls behind your steering wheel. There's 3 buttons there, middle and bottom and top, and you can raise your volume or lower the volume. And I can see my heated seats and all that right there. Touch controls, or if you prefer, you can use all your controls down here. Hard buttons or on the screen, your choice. And down here, I saw one where the whole map was on there. I don't know how to get that on there yet. I'll keep pressing buttons till I figure it out though. This video is getting long, so I'm gonna have to shorten it up here. Let's go. Active lane management. I'd probably keep that as my screen. Yeah, I like that. That looks pretty good. And you got your cruise control here, and add your phone here, and use this to fix all your settings there. So overall, I do like it. And there's a triangle that will light up when someone's in your blind spot there. But just wanted to show you the 2022 Jeep Compass, first time seeing it, and looks awesome. We'll go outside and take another look there. So this will move up or down however you like. And yeah, come down, take it for a drive if you like. Give you one more look at the outside here. Cherokee versus Compass. I think I was calling this the Compass. I just had it on my mind, Compass. That's the 2022 Jeep Cherokee. Comes in 3 engine sizes. The 2.4 liter Tiger Shark, 2 liter turbo, and the 3.2 V6 Pentastar engine. But that is the Stingray 2022 Jeep Compass. For more information, you can see all the inventory online at www.marksugardrives.com. And I'm at Dodge City. Dodge City is dodgecityauto.com here in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. 2200 8th Street East. Here's the same color in the Jeep Gladiator. Talk to you soon. Like, subscribe.